Let's get the weather.
Thanks, Susie. Hello there. Well, it's been mild and cloudy across the region today, but although a lot of places got the cloud, some places got some sunshine. This was a sunny scene here this afternoon in Suffolk. Now, the mild temperatures are not going to last because over the next few days it is going to turn colder with a risk of frost and fog. There'll be a lot of dry weather around, some sunny spells out there, and wintry showers are a possibility for some of us by the weekend. So for now, we've got this weather front pushing in from the west. It's made steady progress across the country today. It's meant a brisk wind as it's passed through, and it's actually weakened as it's headed in our direction. So what we could expect this evening is a little bit of light and patchy rain that should swiftly move through. And once it's passed through, we'll see winds dropping down. So light winds and clear sky, that's going to be the recipe for a chilly night. So many places getting down to freezing, the risk of a frost as we start the day tomorrow. So the settled weather pattern is all about high pressure. It's over the top of us for tomorrow. So despite that chilly start, we'll see some long spells of sunshine during the morning. Into the afternoon, the cloud will tend to build a little, so that sunshine turning a little bit hazy, and it's possible there could be an isolated shower somewhere, but most places should stay dry. And after the chilly start, it is going to be a little bit cooler generally tomorrow, around 8 or 9 degrees. So looking ahead, the high pressure starts to migrate to the east, and what that means is we start to get this easterly wind that is going to drag in cooler air and also brings the possibility of those wintry showers, particularly for coastal parts of the region. So we'll see those numbers dropping down on the outlook. For Thursday, another dry day with some long spells of sunshine. A really chilly night, particularly for Wednesday night into Thursday night with a sharp frost, quite widespread sharp frost. Thursday bringing us that sunshine, and then overnight Thursday into Friday we could see some fairly extensive mist and fog that could just linger for some of us on Friday. So sunny spells for now, but it could be a little bit overcast, and you can see just how chilly it's likely to be. The wind gusts showing that brisk easterly wind developing, and the possibility is there for some wintry showers on Saturday. Into the start of next week, we're staying on a chilly theme, a largely settled picture, and then just a quick look at overnight temperatures. Our chilliest night, Wednesday night, potentially down to -3. Susie.
Oh, goodness. Thank you very much, Alex.
Hello, it's been pretty cloudy today. There has been the odd glimmer of brightness here and there, but on the whole, a lot of cloud. It is tied into this weather system that has been approaching from the west gradually through the day. It'll bring a band of patchy light rain and some brisk winds for this evening. But essentially, we've had some fairly mild conditions. It is going to turn colder for the rest of the week. Yes, it will be brighter. It will also be largely dry. So through this evening, we'll see increasing amounts of cloud. The odd spit and spot of rain, but nothing particularly large in terms of rainfall total. Out of the way, a lot of clear sky left behind, and overnight as the winds ease down and we get those clear skies, it is going to turn quite chilly. So it's cold enough for a frost, with many places down to freezing or just below as we start the day tomorrow. Essentially a settled weather pattern at the moment. We've got high pressure right over the top of us, so yes, a chilly start to the day, but we should see plenty of sunshine to tomorrow morning. Long spells of sunshine into the afternoon. That's when we'll start to see the cloud building, and it is just possible there could be an isolated shower somewhere, but for most of us it should be a dry day with continued brightness into the afternoon. Perhaps that sunshine turning hazy, still making it to double figures, so around 10 Celsius. We're still holding on to that relatively mild air, but as an easterly wind develops towards the end of the week, it is going to turn quite a bit colder, and we'll notice that wind. It even brings the possibility of some wintry showers on Saturday. So over the next few days we'll see a lot of dry weather, some sunny spells again on Thursday, perhaps some mist and fog to clear first thing, and into Friday that may take some time to lift, so it stays fairly cloudy. Looking into the weekend, a lot of cloud around, the risk of some wintry showers developing on Saturday, and as we move into the start of next week, we're still holding on to that chilly weather. It is going to be fairly overcast, the chance of some brighter spells breaking through the cloud at times, and still a biting easterly wind. Hello, it's been cloudy and mild across the region today. For the rest of the week, it looks chillier, and chilly temperatures on the way for tonight. Winds easing down, clear skies out there, many places dropping to freezing as you start the day tomorrow. Now, a settled pattern of weather with high pressure over the top of us. For tomorrow, some long spells of wind sunshine after that chilly start. Cloud building for the afternoon will turn the sunshine a little hazy, perhaps an isolated shower somewhere, but most places should stay dry, a little chillier compared with today, around 8 or 9 degrees. An easterly wind starts to develop for the rest of the week, so temperatures by day dropping, some chilly temperatures on the way overnight as well, with the risk of mist and fog and possibly some wintry showers by Saturday.